Alright guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi. Let's do some analysis. This on Nifty and monthly chart. So last month we have seen a strong bullish candle, and this is called one white shoulder pattern. So basically one white shoulder pattern is confirming that price will continue toward the upside. So finally we have seen some bullish confirmation and continue toward the upside, so after giving a pullback. So everybody knows that price never goes like a straight line. Price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, and goes up and a pullback. So after that they form a bullish confirmation, and we are expecting that price will create a new high very soon. Let me use some indicator. So this is called market trend. So finally here I can see price are bouncing from moving average 20. So this one 20, this one 50, this one 100 exponential moving average, this one 150, and finally last one is 200 exponential moving average in a monthly time frame. Means monthly price is clear uptrend. According to price action method, they are creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and the higher high, higher low. So finally they are trying to create a new higher high. So we are expecting that very soon price will create a new high. Okay, so we are analyzing for the monthly and the weekly. So next video I'll create for the next week what type of trading strategy we will deploy, and where is the direction exactly. All right, so now let me show you in a weekly time frame, and that was monthly, and this one weekly time frame, and the weekly time frame, and the price here I can see just broke this resistance line. So I am using this one called swing point, or you can say like a rejection point. I just connected, and finally they approach this resistance line by forming a bullish candle last week. So it is a probability to break this resistance line. All right, so we are expecting that price will retest this previous higher point. So where is the previous higher point? Let me show you. So next here I can see around 18,000 is the next target. So we are expecting that price may retest this 18,000, because this is a multiple rejection at a rejection point. Okay, so basically we are looking for buy to this level around 18,200 is a strong resistance. Okay, so let me show you another time frame, that is daily time frame. In the daily time frame, here I can see last few days price continue toward upside and targeting the level of 18,200 somewhere here, this swing point. Okay, so here you can see price hit and reverse, price hit and reverse back, and then now it's targeting to this level. So that is why we are deploying bullish strategy, and we are targeting around 18,000, almost 200. Okay, all right, and let me show in a small time frame like 15 minutes how they forming in a 15-minute time frame. Last trading day almost price sideways. You can see they're bouncing on specific moving average. So it's a 50 bouncing of 50, bouncing of 50, bouncing 50, the bouncing 50, and exactly 50. So we are expecting that price will bounce from this area. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.